Hey guys, welcome to Fiona's Food for Life, Cook, Eat, Nourish. Do you know what's in season in Ireland each month? Sometimes it can be really hard. I do a monthly video where I tell you what's in season and give you links to loads of different recipes. But recently I bought this book and I wanted to show it with you and share it. Maybe it might be an ideal Christmas present for people with kids. It's the GIY Know-It-All Almanac, written by Michael Kerley and Myrna Kevon. Fatty Burke did the illustrations on it. It's a really nice way for kids to see where our vegetables come from, when we should plant them, when we harvest them, etc. So let's take a look inside. So here we have the GIY Know-It-All Almanac, and in it there's some beautiful imagery done by Fatty Burke. I know my kids have some of her other books. So I just wanted to show you a little bit about it. So say for example we take, what month have we got here? So say for example we take March, and in the month, first of all you have the calendar and you have loads of different activities. So the first, okay, it's springtime. 4th, it's saying pick some daffodils. The 20th, spring equinox, day and night are the same length now. Then on the 25th, it suggests maybe have a meat-free day. So there's loads of different activities there. And then over here on the map, it tells you in Ireland what the climate is like, what to expect during that month. And I love this little logbook here. So it says this month you can sow potatoes, lettuce, spinach, leeks, coriander. Little note, don't forget it's spring, be happy. And this month then the things that you can harvest. The kale, the purple sprouting broccoli, and other jobs. Start nightly slug patrols and keep on top of weeds. Then it's got a crafty section, so different things that you can do. So they're making a watering can out of a bottle here and different jobs that you would have. Then they come and they talk about the different vegetables that are in season, a little bit about a history, where they came from. There's usually a recipe to go with it. They've got some statistics here, and they have this little fellow called Russell Sprout who pops up throughout the book, and there's a challenge to see how many times you see him throughout the book. Then they show you what you can grow, when they're grown, all the different things about each of the vegetables, step by step with your seeds. So here we have, these are some other things that you'll be eating this month, how you might eat them, the gnocchi, how to make the potato gnocchi, and then on to the next month. So each month is similar things like that. If I were to jump on to maybe December, which can be quite a quiet month in the garden, we'll see what they have here. So here we are with December. We've got loads of different activities we can do on each of the different days. Pick out which movies you want to watch over Christmas. Put some cloves and orange and leave it around on the radiators to spread a nice festive smell around the place. We've got the weather, what you can do. So you're on a holiday in December, you're not doing anything. Some crafty things. So they have about how to make little journals and things from recycling stuff. And then of course sprouts are what's the hero of the month for December. Tells you all about them, where they come from, how they grow, how to cook them, all sorts of different lovely images, really good for the kids to have a look at, but it also explains everything. So they learn exactly what's in season, where it comes from, and what it takes to grow each of these vegetables. They've got 2 different recipes here for making the sprouts, and then they tell you the little bit about Russell Sprout and what he got up to it. Even on the back, when you have the little blurb here in the back, I didn't learn a thing is what Russell Sprout says. So I think if you're looking for a Christmas present for the kids around food and gardening and cooking, I think this is well worth investing in for €25. And so hope you have a happy Christmas.